Welcome, fellow explorers, to the enchanting island of Antigua. Our journey begins with a breathtaking view of one of Antigua's pristine beaches. Get ready to uncover the secrets of this picturesque paradise. This is Antigua Uncovered, the ultimate travel guide. Beaches of Antigua! Antigua boasts some of the world's most pristine beaches. From the white sands of Dickinson Bay to the serene shores of Half Moon Bay, each beach has its unique charm. Dive into the turquoise waters and explore the array of water activities that await. Culinary adventures. Embark on a culinary journey through Antigua's vibrant food scene. From local markets to seaside restaurants, experience the fusion of Caribbean flavors. Let your taste buds dance with the island's diverse and delectable dishes. Adventure and exploration. For the thrill seekers, Antigua offers a playground of outdoor adventures. Hike through lush landscapes, soar through the treetops on zip lines, and immerse yourself in the history of Nelson's Dockyard. Discover the island's natural beauty through exhilarating exploration. Romantic getaways. As the sun sets, Antigua reveals its romantic side. Indulge in intimate beachside dinners and luxurious resorts, creating the perfect setting for honeymooners and couples seeking a romantic escape. Before you go, fellow adventurers, continue your exploration with TravelHolics. Dive into more travel-related videos like share and subscribe to our channel. Until our next adventure, may your travels be as vibrant as the beauty of Antigua.